Flights in and out of Gatwick suspended.
Passengers stuck for hours.
Due to flight disruption caused by drones.
War. Now drones are in every department store.
While the allure of piloting drones is undeniable, their small size masks the serious concerns they bring to our safety and security. From invasive surveillance that breaches personal privacy to delivering explosives, and even serving as instruments of terror if exploited by the wrong people, drones have emerged as a formidable challenge for communities worldwide. Fortunately, military and civilian contractors in the United States and abroad have diligently prepared for such contingencies, devising a range of sophisticated anti-drone systems. These advanced systems ensure our skies remain safe as drone technology continues to evolve. So join us as we explore these cutting-edge solutions that stand guard against drone-related risks in our modern world. But before we jump into number 1, be sure that you have subscribed and hit the bell icon to keep yourself informed with amazing videos. Drone Gun Tactical. The Drone Gun Tactical is a futuristic anti-drone weapon developed by Drone Shield to counter unauthorized drone activity effectively. Weighing 15 pounds, it is optimized for two-hand operation and offers long-range defeat capabilities. This gun emits jamming frequencies that disrupt a drone's video streaming at distances of up to 1,094 yards. It possesses the ability to send the targeted drone back to its original starting point or force it to land immediately. Its design incorporates high-performance directional antennas within a sturdy rifle-style frame, ensuring durability while maintaining a lightweight profile. The user interface features an intuitive control panel for selecting and engaging jamming frequencies to neutralize target drones effectively. This weapon can disrupt signals utilized by a wide range of drone models, including those employing radio, GPS, and ISM signals. It can control the management of drone payloads, such as explosives, without causing damage to the targeted drones or their surroundings. Instead, the disrupted drones typically respond by performing a vertical controlled landing or returning to their starting point, ensuring safety and minimizing potential harm to the environment. Skywall 100. While many drone guns rely on signal jamming, a method often regulated and utilized by law enforcement and the military, the Skywall 100 takes a different approach. It uses a net-launching bazooka to disable drones up to 200 meters away. Weighing approximately 22 pounds, it's designed to be fired from the shoulder and uses compressed air to launch specially designed nets with high accuracy. These nets envelop the drone's propellers, disrupting the drone's speed and range automatically. The bazooka is equipped with an internal AI computer and smart sight that can identify and analyze a drone's movements to ensure capture. It incorporates predictive algorithms to assist the operator in targeting and hitting the drone with precision. Once the net captures the drone, it deploys a small parachute to safely bring the drone to the ground for capture. Its bazooka-style design allows it to be operated by a single person, and quick reload times enable one operator to engage multiple drones efficiently. The Skywall can function as a standalone drone defense system, or be integrated into a broader security system using the Skylink module, providing a comprehensive counter-drone solution. Drone Defender. The Drone Defender is a portable counter-drone system designed to neutralize threatening drones, including quadcopters and fixed-wing aircraft, without jeopardizing surrounding safety or causing collateral damage. Similar to the drone gun, it operates as a signal jammer, disrupting the drone's radio, GPS, and ISM signals, compelling it to return to its operator and land safely. Weighing approximately 10 pounds, the Drone Defender can operate continuously for about 2 hours on a single charge. This counter-drone device combines innovative technology with efficient design to offer a safe, reliable, and proven solution against airborne threats. It swiftly disrupts an adversary's control over the drone, effectively neutralizing it to prevent any remote actions, such as detonation, thereby minimizing potential damage and risks to public safety. Athena. The Advanced Test High Energy Asset is a 30 kilowatt laser weapon system developed as part of the 30 kilowatt Accelerated Laser Demonstration Initiative by Lockheed Martin. Designed to seamlessly integrate with existing systems used by warfighters, Athena offers a cost-effective complementary anti-drone capability. Athena operates within a fully netted engagement environment, integrating with government command and control systems and radar sensors. It is specifically designed to neutralize military-grade drones by using a powerful laser to effectively disable them in flight. The system's currently undergoing trials with the U.S. Army Space and Missile Defense Command. The U.S. military is actively pursuing the development of laser weapons as a countermeasure against the threat posed by drone swarms, particularly targeting military bases and airfields where a single drone can potentially cause significant damage to multi-million-dollar aircraft, making Athena's capability to neutralize these threats crucial for enhancing base security at military bases. Skyfence. Skyfence is an electronic countermeasure system designed to prevent drones from entering or approaching a protected area by disrupting their command and navigation radio transmissions, regardless of weather conditions or time of day. The system utilizes multiple low-powered radio transmitters strategically positioned around the protected site. When activated, these transmitters emit signals intended to overwhelm the drone's radio communications, effectively disrupting the control and video link between the drone and its operator. Skyfence can be configured either horizontally or vertically to suit operational requirements, and can be integrated into an existing perimeter fence to create an electronic wall extending into the sky, preventing operator-controlled drones from passing through. Skyfence's disruption is limited to the drone's electronic communications and does not interfere with other electronic devices, making it safe for use in environments such as airports, prisons, and other sensitive locations. Death Ray Truck Helids. While primarily designed to counter rockets, missiles, artillery, and mortar shells, the high-energy liquid laser area defense system, Helids, is also highly effective at neutralizing drones. Though still under development, this system utilizes a powerful 150 kilowatts laser capable of burning through various materials. These lasers can melt plastics and burn through metals, causing significant damage to drones and rendering them incapable of remaining airborne or compromising their reconnaissance capabilities. While the system can operate in various weather conditions, its performance may be affected by adverse weather conditions. Numerous drones can be destroyed within a short time, and some can be targeted by the laser, even in rainy conditions. Due to its size, the Helid system is mounted on a truck, providing it with mobility and versatility for deployment in various operational scenarios. Drone Guard. The Drone Guard Gen 5 counter UAV system is an advanced, multi-layered and flexible solution designed to meet complex operational requirements. Featuring an open architecture, it allows for the integration of a variety of high-performance sensors, including ELTA's state-of-the-art array of 3 DASA radars, both fixed and rotating, as well as passive communications intelligence systems and electro-optical systems. The system's sophisticated command and control system consolidates all functions into a unified interface, equipping operators with the necessary tools to detect, classify, and counter threats effectively. Additionally, automated threat analysis leveraging innovative artificial intelligence-based decision-making tools and advanced algorithms reduces operator workload while enhancing system performance. Equipped with an active electronically scanning phased array, combined command jammer, and remote control jamming capabilities, the Drone Guard Gen 5 system can neutralize a wide range of drones and other unmanned aerial vehicles. This operationally proven, multi-sensor, multi-layer counter-unmanned aerial system solution is tailored for military and homeland security applications, offering a highly effective and easily operated system that requires fewer personnel for operation and maintenance. XSkyde Hunter. The Hunter is an advanced drone mitigation device equipped with omnidirectional antennas designed to detect drones within a 2-kilometer range. Once a drone enters the detection zone, Hunter quickly identifies its model, frequency band, and direction. It then automatically adjusts its jamming frequency to target the RF or GNSS signals specific to the detected drone model, effectively neutralizing the drone threat even at distances beyond visual range, up to 3 km.